This one I bet you.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tuli. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, please like, and please comment down below. Today we are doing Milano curls, which I'm really excited about it. I'm doing them myself, me, myself, and I. So yeah guys, the hairpiece is 139 where I got them. So basically for this hairstyle you need one packet. It's enough for your whole hair. One thing about it I like about this hair, it's very soft. So first of all, before you start taking your pieces of hair one by one, just put it inside cold water. By you putting it inside cold water, you are making it easy for you to be able to separate the hair so that it can be one. Once you're done, just dry it off, and then after that you can start doing your hair. So what I normally do, I like opening my hair 3 times, and then I'm gonna start doing my hair at the back coming to front. I just like, knowing that I'm finished with the first part, and then the second part I'm done, and then that's how I measure myself that, oh, okay, now I am almost done. One thing about my hair, I don't have long hair. God didn't give me hair at all, but I appreciate the fact that I have that little hair so that I can be able to plait the hairstyles that I like. My hair is not really afro. It used to be afro, and then I decided to relax it because it was so hard to comb it. Okay, so that's the hair that I'm gonna start with at the back. Just make sure you have everything that you need, your comb, your mirror, everything must just be around you. So this hairstyle took me about 6 hours to complete it because it was my first time doing it, so it took me longer. And then separate the hair that you're going to use one by one, because it won't be easy for you to separate them. Like if you plait once, just make sure you are organized, like be organized. So that's the first line that I did, which for me the size was super perfect. I didn't want the small ones because I knew that it was going to take time for me to finish, even though I was struggling with making sure that my lines are straight. I think I tried my best. I know I could have done better, but I did try my level best, because at the back you can't see yourself. But I also saw a mirror at Ticolet that you can use where you can see yourself in front, and also you can see yourself at the back. When we got money, we are definitely going to buy the mirror. If you also like, you can use gel. I do like gel, but sometimes when I do these hairstyles, I don't really like using gel. But with this one, I did use gel, and everything was just so beautiful and so neat. I was so super impressed with my work. So here guys, I just wanted to show you how I was really plaiting the hair detail by detail. So I would open the lines and make sure that I don't make them too small, because in front also I don't have much hair. I don't know where my hair is going, girl. When I say I don't know. So basically I would just put some gel, and then with the gel it's just gonna make everything neat, and then I will just tie the hair around and just plait it. Why am I saying just plait it? And plait it 1 2 3 with three hairpiece, 3 parts, and then plait it halfway through. I don't not really, not halfway, but like almost halfway, because I was thinking to myself, I don't want it if it unplait itself, then it quickly unplaits itself. Then when I'm still plaiting, I would put another hair in the middle so that this fluffiness of the hair can be huge and big. Plus it's still cold, it's still winter. I really wanted my hair to be big. I really wanted my curls to be really like big, and I wanted to feel with, you know what, my hair is really big. That's a nice thing about being a girl. You can change as many hair as possible. And then I will plait it, make sure everything is fine. You can tie it at the end where you finish plaiting, but for me I was like, no, I don't want to tie it, so let me plait it a bit longer so that I don't have to tie it. Even if it unplaits itself, it won't unplait itself badly. And then the thing about this hair, it is nice, but it is not like a strong quality of hair. Most people, they say it lasts about 3 weeks, so definitely you can feel it. It does tangle, but one thing that you can do, you just have to know how to maintain it, and it's gonna be good. It's so good. I really love it. It's soft, it's not heavy, so definitely I would do and encourage you to buy this hair. And then I was almost finished here. As you can see, guys, I tried to make small boxes and make sure that my hair looks good. At this point, I was done with my hair, which took me long, but I started in the morning, so I didn't have any problems. uh the hair in the fingers, it's not slippery. That's why you have to put it inside the water before you plait. I think with that method is the one that makes your hair not slippery in your fingers when you're plaiting. So after I was done, I took some water and then I sprayed it on my hair. It looks so beautiful. Like if you want your curls to be back again, just use some water, spray it all over, and it also makes it easy for your fingers to go through the hair. When you spray water first before you spray anything else, it becomes so easy. At this point, I just wanted to remove the tangling parts and the other parts that I didn't want it on my hair. As you can see how easy it is. So basically, do spray your hair with water. I think every now and then, maybe every day in the morning, just put some water and then just pull, and then all the things that are not, that you don't need on your hair will be out. And also it's going to make your hair so super neat. I really like this hair. It, yeah, it's maintenance. It needs maintenance like any other hairstyle that you need. It's not like you're gonna plait and then everything is gone. You have to take care of it. And then I had to put some spray for my braids and my dandruff so that everything looks clean. I love this spray. It just makes my hair softer and it makes my hair to smell super good. As you can see, guys, I had something in my mouth. I have to address it. I had flu and I had to work. I had to do my YouTube channel. I had flu and I was like, you know what? Nothing is gonna stop me. I'm gonna work. And then at this point, I was just putting hair food, especially on my scalp, so that my scalp must not be dry. Because now we are still in winter, but I don't want my scalp to be dry and all that. I always say that I don't have much hair, but I appreciate the hair that God gave me, as little as it is, and I will take care of my hair. So with this hairpiece, they have different colors that you can buy. You can buy any color. There's black, maroon, um any color that you want, you can buy it. And then this spray, I bought it at Pep. It's a spray glue. It's a spray gel. So it just makes everything to go down nicely and everything to be neat, because I forgot to buy a mousse. So guys, I hope you enjoy this.